Hello folks, today at B&B Audioconcepts we have installed a blind spot camera system into this Mercedes Sprinter. The cameras fit into the original mirrors, so it's all factory and you use the same cover for them. Anyway, let me show you. So I'm going to indicate to the left, and now I've got full coverage. So if I look into my mirror, I only got what I can see from an average mirror. Here I can see my whole sign of the shop, cars that are not even in the mirror. Really good bit of blind spot coverage. Switch it off, it goes back to the factory radio or your nav. Now I'm going to indicate to the other side, and basically I've now got the driver's side. And again, you can see quite a lot if I put my phone to the mirror. Look at that rain blurred vision. Look at that, crystal clear. Really good product available from B&B Audioconcepts. Get in touch, 02920 707 275. Ask for Waz and I'll tell you what vehicles this can also fit as well. Thank you, bye.